So I saw the market. We started servicing armored vehicles in 2012. And then we started massively importing armored vehicles from overseas. But the problem is, a lot of the overseas companies have no idea what the demand is here. Ano requirements ng mga tao dito. Ang ganda ng kalsada natin dito, di ba? Dito sa Pilipinas, napakatagtag. So a lot of these armored vehicles nasisira yung salamin, kumakalampak, because they don't know na sobrang sama ng kalsada. They have to do it differently. So we had issues with our suppliers, and in 2015, we decided to manufacture here in the Philippines. And that's where Luxury Cars Manila came in. Now, we rebranded to Armored Panda Industries.